Okay, hi there, I'm Rylan. I'm a product manager at Shokz, and today I'm excited to share with you guys what we are bringing to you at InfoComm 2026. And at Shokz, we have always been very proud of our pioneering bone conduction technologies. And in the consumer world, we have already transformed how millions of people experience their audio and sports. And we also brought that passion into the space of professional communications. And we wanted to help even more people to be free from their traditional headsets, which are heavy, bulky, and exhausting to wear. And so I'm excited to introduce these two models we have here. One is OpenComm2, and the second one is OpenMeet2. The OpenComm2 headset is super lightweight and also compatible with helmets. So it's tailor-made for hybrid workers and also frontline workers who need to be fully aware of what's going on in their background. And for this OpenMeet2 series, this headset goes on top of your head and is more for office use. With the combination of a bone conduction speaker as well as air conduction speaker, it offers premium audio quality. And also with the AI noise cancellation microphone, it offers like crystal clear calls, even its very loud environment. And these two models embody our core mission. Professional headsets need to be very comfortable for all day wearing, which should not isolate you from your world. So thanks for watching, and please visit our website at pro.shokz.com for more information. Thank you.